Welcome to our continuing series, Questions and Answers, from the works of Sri Aurobindo and the Mother. Today, Flowers, Part 24, from the Mother. But when one lives like this, quite open, like a flower blossoming in the sun before the supreme consciousness, the supreme wisdom, the supreme light, the supreme love, which knows all, which can do all, which takes charge of you, and you have no more worries. That is the ideal condition. Mother gives Satprem a flower she has recently named Unostentatious Certitude, Platycodon grandiflorum. This is the complete negation of bluff. I find it very beautiful. When I saw this flower, it struck me as something very profound, very calm, absolutely sure, immobile. I don't know why, but the longer I looked at it, the more it gave that impression. And when I was asked its significance, I said, unostentatious certitude. It's what one might call a superlative good taste in the realm of spiritual experience, something with greater content than it expresses. The red lotus is the flower of Sri Aurobindo. But specially for his centenary, we shall choose the blue lotus, which is the color of his physical aura, to symbolize the centenary of the manifestation of the Supreme upon earth. The water lily is the white flower opening up to the light above those large floating leaves. Oh, how good it is to be carried. But what is it you don't understand? Why he speaks about the bud and the flower? Disciple: I am asking this because the bud opens into a flower without any effort, but we have to make an effort, haven't we? Mother: he says that this happens when one is ready. It is precisely to make you think. But the bud opens without effort. So when the nature is ready, the same thing happens as with the bud. Effort? I don't know what we call effort. It is not certain whether the plant makes an effort or not. And in any case, it has an aspiration. Plants grow because they aspire for the light, for the sun, for open air. And it's a kind of petition. If one goes into a wood, for instance, into a park where there are many different plants, one can observe very clearly that there is a sort of petition among plants to seek each other and reach the light and open air above. It is indeed quite wonderful to see. Now, Sri Aurobindo means that when one is well prepared and the nature is ready, then the last movement is like a spontaneous blossoming. It's no longer an effort, it's an answer. It is a truly divine action in the being. One is prepared, and the moment has it. Then the bud opens. Disciple. Sweet Mother, can a plant grow otherwise than physically? Mother. In plants there is a great vital force, and this vital force has a considerable action. And there is also the genius of the species, which is a consciousness. There is already an active consciousness at work in plants. And in the genius of the species, there is a beginning, quite embryonic, but still, there is a beginning of response to the psychic influence, and certain flowers are clearly the expression of a psychic attitude and aspiration in the plant, not very conscious of itself, but existing like a spontaneous impetus.